Hello, welcome to my channel. In this video, I'm doing a pedicure and I will use these stickers that I bought them from Shein. It's my first time using stickers for a quick pedicure. I want to see how it's going, how it's looking, what is the process, and let's see together. This is the theme that I bought. There are so many, but let's see how it's going. If you like my channel, please follow, subscribe, and hit the notification bell so you will know when I'm posting new videos. As well, all the products that I'm using, you can find them in the link description below. Now, this pedicure, I have it for maybe 1 month. I'm using the drill bit to remove the gel polish. This drill bit is ceramic bit, fine grit, and I'm using it at 10,000 RPM speed. Make sure that you are not using it on natural nail. I'm just removing what is up, and when I'm getting on at the natural nail, I stop. It's removing very fast. You can have different methods for how to remove gel from nail toes, but you can see as well in my playlist. I post before some videos about it, but I like this with drill bit. Is fast and is easy. Now I will use the sanding band just to make sure that I removed everything. This sanding band is like a nail file. If you are not comfortable with it, you can use a nail file, and will remove everything that is on natural nail. Now I'm getting ready for cuticles. I will push them with a cuticle pusher. You can use bamboo stick if you want, but I prefer this stainless steel because it's faster for me. And I will use some drill bits. This drill bit, I bought it from Stalex Pro, and I use it as well on my hands. It's very easy, it's very good, it's removing fast any dead skin that is around cuticles, and it's lifting the cuticle so you can cut it, trim it as you like. I'm using it at 3, 4,000, 5,000 RPM speed. Usually the big toe has more dry skin, as you can see, and it takes more time to remove it, but it will do the work. Is as well easy way if you are soaking off your toes, and will be easier to cut the dead skin. Now I will just trim it. I will cut a little bit nails. You know that I'm not using them very short, but this time I think I will keep them quite short. I will just file it. Normally I don't go for round shape. I stay on the same shape, square, But sometimes you see here is a little bit of too much skin. All that has to go. It would have been great to soak my feet a little bit so it will be easier, but I was not in the mood. Probably that's why I chose to do this sticker video now, because I was not in the mood to spend so much time on doing my pedicure. So we'll see if it's taking less time or not. I'm using the cuticle nipper from Stalex. Here you can use as well the drill bit if you want, or not, as you wish. I'm removing from all my nail toes any dead skin that can be under, on the sides. Keep in mind that the more you cut, the more you have to cut. It's never ending, so at some point you have to stop. I'm using this bold diamond bit that I bought as well from Stalex Pro. This one will smooth area around cuticles, will remove any flaky skin. And this part is still bothering me. I want to cut more. It's not good that I want to cut more because I don't know when I will stop. I used isopropyl alcohol, and now I'm ready for nail stickers. I just place them on my nail toe, sorry. It's difficult to do it with this gloves, because it's getting sticked on my gloves, see? It's getting stuck there, but let's see. I just place them and press. Yeah, this is already uncomfortable. I think it's time to remove the gloves. Maybe it will work faster and better. Exactly. I stretch them a little bit just to make sure that they are covering the entire nail. I don't know if I check the size. I check it by eye, and I stretched a little bit. I press them. See, here is overflowing. I have to cut. I didn't pay too much attention. It's first time. I said, okay, just put it on and done with it. The color, I cannot say that is my best choice. I would not use this color normally. I find that is like 60s, 70s. But the toe is nice. Now I just trim the excess. It's easy to trim. I think a little bit I trimmed too much, but it's fine. I'm trying as well on the sides to trim a little bit. But it's looking acceptable. I use the nail file just to make sure that everything is smooth there. And by using this nail file, again, I'm opening the Pandora box, and underneath is looking something that I don't like, but it's fine. We move on. You see, underneath is looking like it's not finished. We are learning. But the application is very easy. If you don't want to do your pedicure, you don't have mood, you don't have time, you just put these stickers and it's fine. It's okay. Okay, now I'm using top coat for 60 seconds under LED lamp, and that is all. This is the pedicure video. It's pretty fast. It's more time it took to prep the toes than the application itself. I cured it for 60 seconds, as I said, and this is the final look. Give it a try. If you want to see these nail stickers, give it a try, but better choose another color, better color. This is not my smart choice. And you can check them on Shein. So I will see you in my next video. Check also in my playlist, I have a lot of videos for pedicures if you want, if you are interested in. You can see preparation and design as well. And I will see you next time. Thank you. Bye bye.